I got a new keyboard, and it's not this one. Let's get this thing unboxed. All right, guys. So I got my keyboard in. It's an AUKEY keyboard here. This one actually retails for $49.99. I wanted to replace that Velocifier one that I've been using for a long time. It's kind of bulky, and this is to replace keys. So it was kind of bulky, and I just got tired of it actually. And I wanted something with a newer design. So I do have a mechanical keyboard. It's a Bluetooth one, but it's a little small and it doesn't have a number key, a dedicated number rows on the side. So I wanted a full size one for the big PC. So got this one right here. A little bit of an updated design. Looks a little different, but still functions the same. So this is a blue switch keyboard. This one is a lot heavier. I mean, this thing is freaking heavy. You do have your feet down here on the bottom. Some AUKEY branding, because I keep it kind of off to the side right here, because I put it out of the way when I'm using it. Now on this one, it has a single USB, but the other one had a dual USB, and I hated taking up 2 slots for it just to light it up. But here it is, and let's get this thing powered on. As you can see here, I got a full number pad here, and now I've got a full-size keyboard, F keys. Everything is big how I like it. So let's get it powered up here. So it's powered up. I kill the lights for a second. All right, guys, so got it plugged up, and this keyboard does have a 2-year warranty, a 24-month product warranty from AUKEY, which is really nice. So this keyboard right here, it doesn't use the same type of, like I had the other one with a single light. This one right here just has the multicolor, it appears. I've been playing with it, and it just has this multicolor, but you can actually change this by doing function and insert. So there's 9 different modes you can do on here. So here's one. So if you're typing, it'll light up just that area or whatever. And then if you hit it again, here's another one. You can see what it looks like. It's like a pulsating. And then function insert is what I'm hitting here. So you can see what happens. You just got the main keys lit up, these and these and that. Then go to the next one here. Then you go function insert again. It's kind of like that chase. You can kind of see how it does that lighting. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's like that. I think that one's called the NBA lighting. Then hit it again. Got a wave going here. And then again, you've got this going across like this when you hit it, when you press a button. That is really cool. And then one more time, and then you're back here. Now you can control the brightness with function up and down like this. You can see it getting darker. And that's as bright as it goes. So you've just got these colors here. You've got blue, purple, green. It's like an orange in here, some kind of pink and a red. But there it is. Traveling feedback on these keyboards are really good. They're really, really nice. If you have a problem with one, you can just pop it on there, and then you just lift it up and you pull the key out like this, and then you can do your own repairs pretty much. You just put it back on. It's good to go. That's why I like mechanical keyboards, because you can bang these things hard and they will not break down on you. So there you have it. Just a quick unboxing and demonstration of the new keyboard from AUKEY. I'll be replacing my Velocifier with this one. The Velocifier just got kind of bulky. This keyboard is, I'm surprised at how heavy this thing is though. But at least I only have to take up 1 USB slot for this one. This only requires 1 slot. The other one required 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link in the description. You can pick yours up for 49 bucks. Take care.